What's the meaning of black pudding? Black pudding. Black pudding.
Black pudding. Black pudding. Black pudding is a type of sausage that is commonly consumed in the United Kingdom, Ireland, and other countries. It is made from pork blood, fat, and oatmeal, and is typically cooked by boiling, frying, or grilling. Despite its name, black pudding is not actually a dessert, but rather a savory dish that is often eaten as part of a full English breakfast. The dish has a rich, earthy flavor and a slightly chewy texture, and is often served with eggs, bacon, and toast. Black pudding is considered a traditional food in many parts of the UK and is enjoyed by many people for its unique taste and texture.